and welcome to Super Easy Recipes. Today I'll be making braised chicken wings. Now braising is a very common method of cooking in Chinese households. It's often called red cooking. Basically, the food is lightly fried and then stewed with a little liquid, soy sauce, rock sugar, rice wine, and sometimes with other spices to achieve a savory dish with a rich mahogany colour. Many types of meat and vegetables can be cooked in this way, but today I'll be cooking chicken wings, which make for an excellent starter, snack, side dish and party food. Better still, the ingredients are widely available, and I got all my ingredients from my local supermarket.
The ingredients you'll need are chicken wings. I'm using 1 kilo of wings. You'll need some spring onion, ginger, brown sugar, and a little chicken stock. You'll need both dark and light soy sauce, some Shaoxing rice wine, and some Hoisin sauce. Begin your prep by cutting and discarding the tip of each chicken wing. Then cut each wing into 2 pieces through the joint. In a bowl, I'm going to marinate the chicken wings with dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, Shaoxing rice wine, sugar, and a little salt and pepper. In case you're wondering, you need a dark soy sauce for the colour and a light soy sauce for the flavour. Mix everything well. And marinate for at least 1 hour, or better still, overnight in the fridge. When you're ready to cook, drain the chicken wings and reserve the marinade. Finely chop the spring onion and keep the green parts separate for garnishing later. Finely chop the ginger as well. Pour a generous glug of cooking oil into a large frying pan or wok. On a high heat, fry the chicken wings for 2 or 3 minutes until they're nicely brown. Don't overcrowd the pan, instead fry the chicken wings in batches. Once you've fried all your chicken wings, retain 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and discard the rest. Then, return the reserved oil to the pan and reheat on a medium heat. And fry the ginger, and spring onion, just for a minute or so. Return the chicken wings to the pan and add the reserved marinade and about 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. Mix everything together and fry for a minute or 2. Then add the stock to the pan. Now it's important not to add too much stock, as ultimately you want the liquid to evaporate. Here I'm using about 100 to 150 milliliters of liquid. Bring the liquid to a boil and then reduce the heat to low or medium. Cover and braise for a good 15 to 20 minutes or until the wings become tender. The wings will be tender if you can easily stick a fork into the meat. Then, leave the pan uncovered, turn up the heat and bring the liquid to a boil. This may take a good few minutes depending on how much liquid is left. The chicken wings are ready when the liquid has evaporated to leave only a delicious sticky coating. Garnish your braised chicken wings with the reserved spring onion and enjoy as a snack, starter or side dish. And if you enjoyed this braised chicken wing dish, then do check out my channel which has lots of easy traditional Chinese recipes. And do subscribe for future super easy recipes.